Hey guys, this is Ray here with you today. Today we are getting ready and testing some new products. So without all that being said, let's rock this look. Today for brows, I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. Okay, brows are done and it is a very important step for me. I believe that brows, they completely change the game, so the face looks so different depending on what kind of brows do you have on. I will use the concealer right now to carve them up, and that helps me make sure that they do not move, they stay in there and do not smudge or anything. Here is the concealer and I put it on the back of my hand and my MAC 195 brush. So I'm finished with the eyebrows. Let's put some concealer on the top lid. I will take my MAC 224 brush and right away I will powder my eyelids with MAC Set Powder so they do not crease and we have a good blending base. So since I'm just getting ready for the day, I do not need much of a coverage, so that's why I'm going for my Marc Jacobs Shameless foundation. Whoa, every time I reach for this one, like every single time, I'm shocked how beautiful it sits on skin. It is light to medium coverage and it's just absolutely perfect. It is so interesting that the ancient Romans considered freckles, fine lines, sores, blemishes, sunspots, all those skin imperfections to be unfavorable, and they've been trying to treat it as best as they could. And it's an ancient civilization for a second. To treat the wrinkles and fine lines, they used to use a swan fat or a donkey's milk. The snail ashes they've been using to treat the freckles and the sores. Let's do under the eyes area. It's one step I totally cannot miss. So I'll use my concealer and draw a triangle. I'm taking my MAC 116 brush and baking under the eye zone. And now I'm taking my Sony Kashuk large powder brush number 100 and I will use the setting powder to apply all over my face. With the same brush, we will switch to the bronzer, and I'm gonna use my Wet n Wild ColorIcon. I will just simply contour with that one. With my bronzer, I prefer to go really light-handed. So guys, if you know any ashy tone bronzer I should try, put down in the comments below. I'm taking my MAC Cubic blush and I will apply it with my IT Cosmetics 227 Flawless Blush Brush. I will go for NYX Lovely So Mochi highlighter. I will apply it with my Sony Kashuk 149 highlighter brush. the moment we've been waiting for. Eyeshadows. It is Lasting Drama by Maybelline Eyeliner in shade Shiny Bronze. And this is the Mini City palette by Shayla. Let's swatch this little guy. I will start with the shimmery shades. So this little one right here. Ooh, guys, they feel like butter. Oh my goodness. Just take a look. OMG. Now this darker gold. Whoa, it's bronze even. The plummy, it's not the purple, it's a plummy color. The only thing, they feel like a little chunky, but those are beautiful. So they have 3 shimmers and 3 mattes in this mini palette. Now let's switch to mattes. Oh guys, this one is chalky. It is chalky and it has such a fallout here. I mean, in a palette, it's just deadly. I keep my fingers crossed because I want it to be perfect on the lids. You can tell by the brown. You see how chalky it is? And the black. Black feels a little bit different. It feels like a little harder. So all of those are like butter, and the black one is little. It is still smooth, but it is not as buttery as the rest of them. Okay, I do have a look in my mind I want to go for. Let's wipe all that off and dig right in. I'm taking my Sonia Kashuk Universal Shadow Brush and applying the lightest shade out of the palette to my entire lid. Oh my goodness, you guys, that's crazy. You see? Oh no! It is insane. I mean, it is as chalky. You see, I'm all covered in the eyeshadow. Oh yeah. Let me put some extra and one more time extra baking powder under my eyes because I do not want to be covered in a fallout. So once again, Sonia Kashuk Universal Eyeshadow Brush, the lightest shade, and trying not to get covered in a fallout. Right now I'm taking my Sonia Kashuk 273 brush and this beautiful plummy shade, and I will apply it to the outer corners of my eyes. You know what, guys? I just wanna... let me go for the crease. I want to define crease. It doesn't feel so right here. For the crease shade, I'm going to my Milani palette, the basic mattes, and I'm gonna use this beautiful cool tone right here. And now with my IT Cosmetics 105 brush, I will blend it. That is the way to go. And now let's get back to our plum shade. Okay, it does have fallout, but not as bad as the light shade. My heart is completely stolen by this gold shade right here. I mean, it is stunning. Let me get my flat brush. It is just simple Sephora flat brush. I will grab the pigment and just put it on my upper lid. Fallout is here, pigment is not. Okay, there is way to go. We will take our Milky Mist by Pixi. Yay, girl. That is much better. At least we can work with that. The fallout is crazy. Just impossible. I am mad. every single time I have to grab the pigment, I have to spray it. Right now, work on the outer corner of my eyes and add some color, and I will blend the plum shade with the gold one. And I will do it with my Morphe 507 brush. I'm taking MAC 207 fan brush, and I just can't look at this fallout. I will just wipe it off. That's so good that we applied the setting powder. I just want to apply a little bit of this plummy shade to the outer corner of my lower lash line. And for that purpose, I will use Sonia Kashuk smudge brush. So I'm reaching for the Milani Must Have Neutrals palette. Our next step is this one. It is a liner, also Maybelline Shiny Bronze Lasting Dreama liner. So let's open it together. I've decided that for this look, the bronzy shade will be the best, and I want to pop it to my lower lash line. Let's just swatch. Yeah, it is automatic. It goes in and out with twisting it. It is pretty soft and shiny and shimmery. The shade is pretty light though, so let's try to apply it. I'm not living for it. It is not the best thing ever. It is pretty, but it can be the way better. I mean, it's still really soft and it is so pretty. As a product, it is a really good quality product and it does what it states, but I'm not sure, maybe with this look it's not so well. I put a question mark on this one and I want to play with it a little more to give you my opinion. And now I'm grabbing this lightest shade in the Milani palette and I will smudge it with my Sonia Kashuk brush to the inner corner and all the way to the middle. I will do a little bit of a tattoo liner by Kate Von D. Let's do some mascara. I'm gonna use my Marc Jacobs Major Volume. And while my mascara spots are drying, so I can remove those and clean those up, I'm gonna use my Cream Sheen Glass by MAC, the lip color in shade Dynasty at Dusk. And let's set our makeup and apply Milky Mist. Okay, here we are at the end of the video. So now I have to go, but I'm sure you are looking forward to seeing me again. So stay tuned for my next video. Don't forget to subscribe and put thumbs up. And for now, I love you all. Wishing you a good day and